Good morning and God bless. This is David M2 Hugs, David Tinsdale Hughes, otherwise known as David Hughes, also David Tunsman Newith Hewell, ancestrally speaking in my Welsh name. Hope you're well, hope you're good, hope you're all okay this morning. I've had an up and down night, been through the night, and this is my latest poetical adventure for you. Decade in the Rain. So here it is, Decade in the Rain. A dirty decade just gone by. Through a decade in the rain and relative pain. God knows how hard it is to stay sane. When all around you has all but walked away. And no one wants to know you because you won't and don't go their way. Through hardened winters, in freezing rooms, and no heating even to heal the wounds. When food is scarce, and the pennies and the pounds don't add up to keep you in the black. All I know is that faith has and shall see me through when no one else wants to know. God's promise and love is always true. Hugs to you, hugs from me. God bless you all, and me eternally. Be good, be true, be straight, be honest, be genuine. Good night, good morning, God bless.